So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Dogecoin Mars coin, its price prediction this year mega bullion, that how many zeros this meme coin can kill here, is Dogecoin Mars has really potential to kill 3 zeros and can give us 1000x return here or not. Can you see its Binance listing this year or not? So it is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Fresh alone current price 6 times 013 dollars pump by 6%. In last 7 days 3% pump, but in last 30 days 31% dump. In last 1 year 42% dump here. It's just because of recent market crash. Current market cap right now $76 million. Market cap is also decreasing right now because of again market crash. $5.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So fresh trading volume is good. 1 quadrillion max supply in circulation 549 trillion, so almost 50% supply is spent. Coin was initially launched on Ethereum chain, after that BNB, Solana, Polygon, Kronos and Fuse chain, but this is initially was ETH meme coin, Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. You can see friends, Elon Musk inspired meme coin, so this is good. Right now we are 94% down in its all-time high. There were 3 years ago in previous bullion 2021, this meme coin its all-time low, sorry, its all-time high, they were 0.5 times $0.25, but still we are 600% up than its all-time low also. This is good performance from this meme coin. Okay friends, so you can see these are some central exchanges where this coin is listed: Gather.io, Bitcat. Okay, and friends, many central exchanges has list this coin. Gemini is here, so this is massive listing for this coin, and that's why it's also possible that we can see its listing on Coinbase too. Maybe before Binance listing, we can see its listing on Coinbase, and it's also possible, friends, because since long time we heard that news that Binance is listing this coin time to time, but still there's no any confirmation for Binance listing, because Binance wallets are also holding this coin. I will show you later. But friends, you see Etherscan 161,000 holders, so this is good. Number of holders are amazing, and these are the top holders of this coin. You can see friends, number one wallet has 23% supply. Crypto.com is also holding. There is centralized exchange, some DAXs just like Uniswap holding. K.io, you can see friends, wallet number 11 is Binance Back token. Okay, so Binance also holding 1.39% of supply, current worth about 1.9 million. Okay, so $1.9 million worth token are right now bought by Binance. Okay, wallet number 11 is Binance. You can check out other details also. You can have copy his contact address, and you can find other details by yourself also. Okay friends, Bitget, MEXC, some other central exchanges also holding this coin. So friends, because Binance exchange wallets are holding this coin, so that's why we heard many news time to time that this meme coin will list on Binance, but still there's no any confirmation. I think maybe it's possible that we can see its listing on Coinbase before Binance now, because right now Binance has no any maybe official announcement for its listing soon. So maybe we can wait for a few more months, then we can see its listing on Binance. But maybe before Binance we can see its listing on Kraken, or maybe on Coinbase also. So friends, now my price prediction about Dogecoin is that its current market cap is $76 billion. Coin has currently 6 zeros in its price, and this is one of my old and very favorite meme coin. I'm holding Dogecoin Mars since last 3 or 4 years. Okay friends, and I'm still don't sell any loan coin yet. I'm waiting for Binance listing, and I'm waiting for this year Mega Bullion Super Cycle meme coins Mega Bullion, when Dogecoin coin will hit 5 to maybe $10 billion market. At that time maybe I will sell out my all Dogecoin coin, because I'm very bullish about this meme coin, because since last 4 years this meme coin is live in crypto market. Still its trading volume is $5.6 billion. This is good. And friends, this meme coin has also survived 2022's bear market and is still live in crypto market, so it means coin has something amazing. And that's the reason, that's why I think we can see its price, its market cap up to 5 to $10 billion in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion. And coin can break previous all-time high and make a new all-time high, and we can see its price with just 4 zeros. Okay, it's really possible that Dogecoin can kill 2 more zeros here, and we can see its price with just 4 zeros. My price prediction is maybe 5 to $10 billion here. What's your price prediction about Dogecoin coin? Are you holding Dogecoin or not? You can must comment down below. And friends, to not join MEXC and Get.io exchange yet, I provide you both central exchange links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched meme coin before listing on major central exchanges.